This series of videos will cover developing and executing a search strategy, locating and accessing databases to help you search, and evaluating resources using the CRAP test. Let's get started with our search strategy. Before we start searching, we need to know what we're looking for. Sounds obvious, right? You'd be surprised at how many students start searching without a goal and then become frustrated when they can't find what they need. I think it can be helpful for anyone, but in particular first-year students, to actually write out a search strategy as part of the brainstorming process. I made this sheet as a guide to coming up with a strategy. Start with a research topic, then a question. What are you studying? What do you want to learn more about it? Why is it important? Let's use sea turtles as our topic. Just sea turtles is a pretty broad category. It'll be tough to write a scholarly paper on just sea turtles. Too little detail will leave you with an encyclopedia entry, and too much detail will leave you writing a book. The best way to get around this is to look at one aspect of the topic you find interesting or significant. I think we could ask, what is the influence of climate change on sea turtles? Next, consider what kinds of sources you need. Journal articles, newspaper articles, YouTube videos, government publications, and books could all work for this topic. Check out the library's YouTube channel for videos on how to search different sources. Then, use the research question for keywords. There are a number of search terms we can use for sea turtles. Obviously, we're going to use sea turtles and sea turtle. We can also use the scientific term for sea turtles. You can look for different breeds and species of sea turtles, like loggerhead. You can also look for the different geographies of where sea turtles are located, and look for different terms for climate change. So things that would influence this would be pollution, it could be sea levels, and it could also be sea temperatures. I would also use the word ocean in addition to sea. So we have an idea of what information we're looking for, what types of resources we need, and the terms we'll use to search for information on our topic. We'll get searching in the next video. Did you like this video? Do you still have questions? Let us know. Email us at refdesk@bryant.edu, text us at 401-595-7306, or find us online at library.bryant.edu.